Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zukairi bin Muhammad Azhar. My meeting number is 26991. My topic is management of technology. Okay. This topic I got the lecture with my friend. His name is Taufik and he's from Indonesia. Okay. What you can see now, we at the Lata Mukang. Lata Mukang state Kedah. This take the 2 hours from. If you want to come here, it take 2 hours from UUM Pintu. Okay. Now I want to bring you all to explore this place. Are you see the video? That is interesting. For me, it's very interesting. Okay, when we talk about the data, we also can do very challenging activities like hiking, mountain and something else. When you enter this place, you also can release your stress. Okay, when you see the river, the flora and fauna, you also can release the stress from the work and the city. Okay, when we talk about the hiking is very many benefits of hiking. Okay, if you all don't know the benefit of hiking, now I will tell you all about the benefit of hiking.
The first one is increased fitness. Just 1 hour of trekking can burn well over 500 calories, depending on the level of incline and the weight of the pack you are carrying. Hiking trails are often suffer to join than asphalt and concrete, so it is easier to use ankle and knees compared to running. If you head for the hill, weight loss results are even better. Not only are you burning serious calories, but altitude itself has also elite. The second one is help prevent and control diabetes. Regular hiking help you to control or even prevent diabetes by lowering your blood sugar level. Hiking gives your muscle a workout, which moves glucose from your bloodstream for energy. The third one is camera with nature. Okay, being out in nature, away from the chaos of our daily life and technology. can allow people to connect with themselves, with nature, in the way that bring about peace and a sense of well-being.
Okay, I will go to Ampang Hill, or people around here call Bukit Bota or Bukit Ampang. The location of Ampang Hill is in Hulu Langat, Selangor. Why I go to Ampang Hill in the evening? Because Ampang Hill the place for you refreshing, like chill, enjoy with family, and refreshing after you work in this week, and you can refresh your brain over there, so you can chill over there. With you buy something like a drink, coffee or tea, and you can buy some snack like french fries or pancake, some, because over there we you can got many people like night market, but I don't know right now because this situation pandemic like that. So let's go that we can check. Oh yeah, for our information, Ampang Hill we go there in the Satnek only.
Hello, my name is Taufik Sabalas. I will do my assignment English Professional 2. My team take the theme the nature. I will say the place is Ampang Hill, or people around here call Bukit Bota. Ampang Hill is the place for people around here to make them resting after work or study or whatever activity from the week, and the last week they are usually come to here to make refreshing, refresh the brain, whatever, to refresh or the so it's Ampang Hill. Ampang Hill make has a view all of the Kuala Lumpur. You can see over there that Twin Tower and Tower of KL Tower and so on. So because this I unpredictable, because you know lah, the pattern right now, pandemic corona, I think this place very quiet and no people to come because the corona. But my this thing is wrong actually, because even though the pandemic, people around here need to come and so lot people to come.
It is a situation pandemic virus corona. Yes, of course, very different before pandemic corona. Usually in here you can got people sell the snack or drink, and now you can see nothing, but you can take selfie or take just refreshing.